will start the event by welcoming our honorable principal, GM Lina ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and our beautiful judges, Anvesha ma'am and Shravani ma'am. I heartily welcome all the parents and students of class 3, 4, 5, and 6. It gives me immense pleasure to host this event. As we all know, we are facing a critical situation, but the show must go on. And we are glad that technology has been by our side. You can speak well if your tongue can deliver the message of your heart. Elocution competition is a speech competition where students are allotted with a topic to talk about and it improves the public speaking skills of students. So, without any further delay, I would like to invite the children of class group 3 and 4. And their topic is If I Had Three Wishes. Children, you will get 2 minutes time, and we have Shwanali ma'am with us. She will guide you with the time. Okay, when to start and when to stop. Okay, children. So all the very best to the participants of class 3 and 4.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
you're most welcome. Okay. Uh, our first we have Rochelle Gomes of class 3A. Rochelle, are you ready? Please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Shonali
ma'am.
ma'am. Shonali ma'am,
Yes,
are you
yes.
ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shonali ma'am, please guide her.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, Rochelle, your time starts. Yes, Rochelle.
Uh, Shonali ma'am, you have start. Rochelle?
Roshan? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rochelle is here. Shonali ma'am? Okay. Rochelle, please start.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are doing great. I'm Rochelle Gomes from class 3A. My topic for the elocution is If I Had Three Wishes. Everyone have their own wishes and dreams. If I'm granted with three wishes, I will fulfill those which are close to my heart. I would like to wish all the happiness for my family and my parents to have a long life and stay with me as long as possible. I wish to have magical powers to make the world a better place to live in. My third wish is to become a good Samaritan like Mother Teresa who would help the needy selflessly and silently. Thank you.
Wow, very good. Everyone, please clap for Rochelle. Well done, Rochelle. Very good. It's very nice to hear from
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Very
Thank you, dear.
Very good, dear. Very good.
Okay. Please mute yourself, Rochelle. Okay. Next, we have Adrish Paul of class 3A. Adrish, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes,
Shwanali
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes. Adrish, you hear me?
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I audible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Starts now.
A wish begins with hope. A hope begins with you. Just close your eyes and make a wish, and the universe will make it happen. Hello, everyone. I am Ajish Pal. Today, I would like to give a short speech on if I had three wishes. What are wishes? Actually, wishes are never ending. We always desire for more. But if I had three wishes, so I will choose two for my world and one for me. My first wish will be to make free my world from this pandemic situation. As we all know, we are facing this COVID-19 virus. All doctors and nurses are giving their 100% best to save every life. I don't let my country down for this pandemic. Now, my second wish will be to stop wars because wars never gives us profit. Wars only gives us loss. Loss means a loss of many lives. I feel it better because my father was a soldier. If you don't stop wars, the war will end us. My third wish will be to, if I wish my parents with me forever. I would like to thank God for giving such a wonderful parents because they love, care, and stand for me in every situation. I can do anything for my parents. Thank you.
Very good. Well done. Everyone, please clap for him. Well done. Well
Very
done.
good, dear.
Very good. Very nice. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself. Okay. Our next participant is Zan Masood of class 3B. Over to you, Zan. Zan, please unmute yourself. Yes,
ma'am.
Swarnali, ma'am.
Yes.
Guide-
Yes,
Guide him.
Jan. Your
Yes, ma'am.
time starts now.
Good afternoon, respected principal, teachers, judges, and of course, my dear friends. My name is Mohammad Zian Masood of class 3B. Today, I am going to speak on the topic if I had 3 wishes. Frankly speaking, my wish list is too long, but according to today's rule, I will make it brief. My first wish is to remove poverty from the whole world. I really feel for all those people who don't get food every day. I don't understand why some people have right to waste food, but the poor people don't have right to have food for their living. My second wish is to remove child labor from the whole world. I really wish to see all child having lovely, happy childhood. I believe all children have right to have all privileges we have. My final wish for the day is, if I dream I live in a peaceful society, peaceful world, rather a peaceful country. I wish we are all happy, satisfied, never fight with each other. Thus, I request to all citizens to arise and awake, to build heaven on earth. Thank you.
Well done. Well
Very
done,
good.
Zan.
Very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Everyone, please
Very
clap for
good,
him.
Zayan.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Very good. Please mute yourself. Okay. So next in the queue, we have Anshika Banerjee of class 4A. Anshika, are you there? Please
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. Okay. Shwanali, ma'am.
Now.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Anshika Banerjee from class 4A, and my topic is I have 3 wishes. If I had 3 wishes, what could they be? With the wishes, should I benefited myself or the society or to help others? Whatsoever it may be, but a lots and lots of wishes in our conscious or subconscious mind. We have to prioritize our wishes. So for this reason, we should make our wishes in a way that I should be praiseworthy everywhere and by everybody. So my first and foremost wish is to me a good human being. For this, I should overcome the 3 bad elements. For the first one is ego, the second one is selfishness, and the third one is anger. With these 3 habits I should be able to control over mind and my doings, which help me to be a good human being. The second wish is to solve all the problem of my life with a smile. When we face any problem, there might be a solution for the problem. The difficulty level of the problem might be the different level. Sometimes it may be too easy, sometimes it may be too hard, and even it may happen that I had failed to solve. But I should remember that failure is the way of success. So every time I try to solve the problem with a smile, with the patience, the success will come to my feet definitely. The third wish is to fulfill my dream. If I am able to fulfill my dream, I will get an ultimate satisfaction in my life. But the dream should not be that which I will see in my sleep. Dream should be that which will not allow me to sleep. So for fulfilling my dream, I had to try and try a lot. So it is my
Amshika,
strong
yes,
determination.
Amshika, yes, Amshika. Thank you. Thank you, Amshika.
Very nice, very nice. It's
That's it.
wonderful. It's wonderful.
Very good.
Anshika, very good.
Very good,
Very good.
Anshika.
Well done, Anshika. Well done.
Well done.
Very good.
Well done. Very good. Okay. Please mute yourself, dear. Okay. Next we have Kiana Singh of class 4A. Kiana, are you ready?
Yes,
Please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Sonali ma'am.
Kiana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Okay. Your time starts now. Please start.
Good afternoon, my respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Kiana Singh and I'm studying in class 4A. My topic for today's elocution is if I had 3 wishes. If I had 3 wishes, I would choose them very carefully. I will choose 2 wishes for the world and humanity and 1 for myself. My first wish would be an end of hunger. I think everyone should have enough food to eat. If the God is kind to me, I would wish to start my own NGO to provide free food to the underprivileged people of this country. My second wish would be for peace. No more wars. At least 150 million to 1 billion people were killed in wars throughout the human history. I wish the entire world to become a family because family members don't kill each other, rather they protect each other. My third wish is for myself. I wish to be a doctor. As we know that many people have been died due to the mutating COVID-19 virus. Being a doctor, I would wish to invent a single medicine that can cure all the viral infections. This is all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kiana. Very good.
Very
Thank
very
you.
Well
Thank
done,
you, dear.
Kiana.
Well done. Everyone, please clap for her.
Very
Very
good.
good. Okay, mute yourself, dear. Okay. So now we have Varanya Singh of class 4C. Varanya, are you ready?
Hello, ma'am. I am Varanya's father.
Yeah.
One thing I just wanted to share with you because yesterday when the topic was given, the time limit was not given. So she prepared and it is like 2 to 3 minutes. So now since you have announced a 2 minutes time limit at this moment to ask her to curtail it to 2 minutes, it will be difficult for her preparation. So I think it will not be possible for to cut 3 minutes to 2 minutes now.
Okay, let her continue. No issue. Let her start.
Okay, ma'am.
Let her start.
Okay, ma'am.
Let her start. No
Okay,
issue.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for permitting. Thank
Most welcome.
you.
Sonali ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yes.
Yes, dear, you're audible.
Perfect. Okay, Varana. Varana, please unmute yourself, beta. Yes. Varana, your time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Varanya Singh from class 4C. Hope all of you and family members are safe and healthy. Today's topic is if I had 3 wishes. In today's world, if one wish is fulfilled, then it is like awesome experience. I know everyone has one or few secret wishes and always pray to see them fulfilled. Today, I will share my 3 secret wishes. Nowadays, I am little confused about what is free, internet or human beings. As we all are spending our maximum time on surfing net, browsing irrelevant topics, people, relatives, parents, etc. are physically closer but mentally far apart. Talking face to face is almost zero. Greetings happen on social media. So, my first wish is, God, please guide me in such a way that I spend my maximum time on physically interacting with people, playing outdoor games with my friends, spending quality time with my family members all through my life. क्योंकि हमारा परिवार ही हमारा असली ताकत है. इससे सोशल मीडिया से नहीं बल्कि आत्मा से जुड़े. Competition to excel, fight for success have created more enemies than friends. So my second wish is, God, please make me physically and mentally strong enough to handle success and failure equally well. Bless me with words which will not harm anyone knowingly or unknowingly. सफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, क्योंकि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Parents are greatest gift of life. I am healthy, I am doing well, and I am here in front of you all because of my parents only. They had sleepless nights. They stopped taking care of me just to take care of me all through the days, all through the years. So my second wish is, third wish is, God, please bless me with strength and pure intention so that I can take care of my parents till their last breath. Bless me to fulfill all secret wishes of my parents. And I want to spend maximum time with my parents, roaming all over the world. क्योंकि पिता जिसने हमारे जीत के लिए सब कुछ हारा हो, माँ जिसको हमने हर दुख में पुकारा हो. We should love and respect our parents and grandparents. Oh God, please be kind to me and fulfill all my 3 wishes. Last but not the least, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Well done. Very good. Very nice. Very nice.
Very good, Varanya.
Very good.
Very
Very
nice.
good, Varanya.
Okay, everyone, please clap for Varanya. Wonderful. Very nice. Okay. So, a big round of applause for the children of class 3 and 4. Well done, children. Very good. Very good, children. Now, it's time for the children of class group 5 and 6. And their topic is, one day, if I become invisible. All the best to all of you. And again, Shwanali ma'am is here to guide you with the time. So first, we have Devarchan Ghosh of class 5A. Over to you, Devarchan. Kindly unmute yourself.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Yes,
Shwanali
Devarchan.
ma'am.
Yes,
Devarchan,
Devarchan. Please wait.
please wait.
Please wait. Now, Devarchan, your time starts now. Please start.
Good afternoon, respected all teachers and dear friends. I am Devarchan Ghosh of class 5A. Today, my topic is one day if I become invisible. One day,
If I become invisible, it will be definitely a dream come true for me. I would like to fully enjoy the chance. My mother always tells me to utilize the precious time by doing study and co-curricular activities. If I am invisible, then my mother will not be able to catch me playing mobile games. I started my cricket practice with an aim to become best wicket-keeper batsman for Bengal and India. My father always pushes me to do hard cricket practice and fitness. If I am invisible, I will go to Eden Gardens Stadium and do practice there for a long time. I have once visited the world-class gym at Eden Gardens during Ranji Trophy semi-finals between Bengal and Karnataka, and will surely enter and do my fitness training with world-class machines. Being invisible, I wish I could share dressing room with famous cricketer by hiding there and travel with them in their team bus. If I am invisible for one day, I will pray to God and enter my mother's body to fight with diseases and make her healthy than before. I will also pray to God so that I am able to use my superpower to fix my great-grandmother's memory loss that she is facing from last week. There may be much more things to do being invisible. So I do not want to plan further because if I plan beforehand,
Yes, Debar. Thank you so much. Your time over. Thank you so
I will
much.
not
Thank
be
you,
able
dear. Thank you, dear. Your time is over. Thank you. Please mute yourself. Thank you, dear. Everyone, please clap for Debarchan. Well done.
Debarchan.
Debarchan. Very good. Very good, Debarchan. Okay, please mute yourself. Okay. Next, we have Avishikta Chakravarti of class 5B. Avishikta,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Kindly unmute yourself
Yes.
and Pranali ma'am, please guide us.
Yes, Avishikta. Yes, Avishikta. Your time starts now. Please start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhishekta Chakraborty from class 5, section B. My school's name is Sain International School. Today's topic is one day if I become invisible. I am a girl of 9 years and very imaginary one. Not only in my sweet dreams, but also at leisure time during awakening. I plunge myself in fairy dreams. Sometimes I wish I had become invisible one. Then none can debar me from going anywhere I desire. I like to visit the fairyland on winged horse and dance over the sorcerers. I also desire to move around places of ancient times as described in fairy tales. I can also enjoy the beauty of unseen snowy mountains, range of forests, wavy oceans. Even I can visit the memorable places of foreign countries like France, Italy, Germany, England, and Egypt. I also desire to bend down my head on the land of Galileo, Newton, Archimedes, Aristotle, Copernicus, Einstein, and Romarola, the gentleman of world ever had produced. Lastly, I will return to my holy motherland and fly to the places like Shantiniketan, Belur Math, and Sabarmati. Ashram where Kabiguru Rabindranath, Vivekananda, and Mahatma Gandhi had making great deeds of mankind. Keeping myself invisible, I like to punish the evil-minded person and reward the honest people. Finally, I very much desire to wipe out all the pains and distress of my mother by my magic touch. I'm done.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Excellent,
much.
excellent.
Well
Yes,
done.
very good.
Excellent.
Wonderful.
I can
Everyone,
understand
very
judges are having a very tough time to just
Exactly, ma'am.
each and
Exactly.
everyone is very
Very good.
yes, I would like to just inform you all only 4 minutes is left for this meeting, so please rejoin again for the same ID and password. Okay, thank you.
Sure, ma'am.
Abhishekta,
Yes, ma'am.
excellent, better. Excellent.
Ma'am, thank
Very
you,
good.
ma'am.
Purvi
Very
ma'am,
good.
please continue. Continue, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am, better, yes, ma'am, I'm ending the meeting. You all join. Otherwise, in
Yes,
between,
we
again, it
join.
will be
Okay.
disconnected. Okay, you
Okay,
join
yes,
again.
yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So our next participant is Pranavi Dubey of class 5C. Pranavi, over to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Pranavi ma'am, please write out.
Yes, Pranavi. Yes, Pranavi. Your
Yes,
time starts now. Please start.
Okay, ma'am. Great powers come with great responsibilities. On a fine morning, if I discover myself to be invisible, I will feel the power of a genie and thank God for choosing me among billions to put things to right. Respected Principal Ma'am and my beloved teachers, I, Pranavi Dubey, Class 5C, SIS Stella is now really excited and passionate to elaborate my wishes to use the power of being invisible in a fruitful manner, proving it to be a blessing to humanity. Neither will I lure to the rich glare of wealth, nor will I use my power to malicious greed. Rather, I'll try to do all the good to my humanity without even wishing anything in return. As no one can see me, there are numerous things which can be done. I will help our citizens by preventing corruption practice. I would like to travel to the world's secret places and collect military secrets from enemy countries to help my country. As I live in a big city, I will stop crimes like robbery, murder, theft, and many other mysteries and ensure those culprits are settled behind bars. I will rescue all missing children. I will try to save wildlife from poachers and help wild animals to find food and water. I will monitor rainforests and stop smugglers from cutting down trees. I will gather wealth from the filthy rich, distribute it to the needy poor people. The list to do good deeds are endless, but due to paucity of time, I am unable to narrate all now. But being a responsible young citizen, I assure you that if by any chance I am empowered by any blessing, I will leave no stone unturned to do good to my society. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my views about this special power to be invisible. Please be healthy and safe in this great mission. Save the world while being visible even.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Wonderful, Pranavi.
Thank you, Pranavi. Very nice. Everyone, please clap for Pranavi. Well
Well
done.
done, Pranavi.
Well done,
Very
Pranavi.
good.
Okay, please mute yourself. Okay. So next in the queue, we have Saptak Panjal of class 6A. Over to you, Saptak. Kindly unmute yourself.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes,
from
yes,
here you are
Yes,
audible.
better audible.
Yes, Saptak.
Sonali ma'am.
Yes, Saptak. Your time starts now. Please start.
Good afternoon, teachers. I am Saptak Panjal of class 6A, Saini International School, Maheshtala. Today I am going to speak about the topic, one day if I am invisible. If I become invisible, for me, it would definitely be a dream come true. I can fulfill few of my wishes, which I will share with you now. My first wish is to observe how wild animals live in nature. We have only seen animals at the zoo from a distance. Most animals don't come out of their dens most of the time. I cannot go to the jungle to closely watch them. But if I am invisible, no wild animal can spot me and I can freely observe their daily routine while enjoying the delicious natural foods of the forest. I could even read a book on them. In the forest, not only there is a danger of wild animals but also poachers. They hunt wild animals for their various kinds of a poacher or a poacher itself. I would definitely inform the forest officers and make sure that the poachers get caught. Not only in the jungle, but also in the city, there is the dangers of thieves and smugglers.
I would always be on the lookout for them. If I discover them at any place, I would inform the police as no one would be able to see me. Doing some social activity, being invisible, is a pride for me. My last but not the least wish is that I want to go to my school once. For nearly 1.5 years, due to this hectic corona pandemic, I have not seen my school. I again want to see the classrooms, library, assembly hall, and my favorite, my school playground. However, I will definitely take precautions with masks, sanitizer, and social distancing while I am out because COVID virus can even attack an invisible person. Thank you.
Your wishes
Thank
will
you
come
so
true,
much.
Saptak.
Definitely,
Well
definitely.
said.
Well done.
Very
Very
good.
good. Everyone,
Very
please
good,
clap us
Saptak.
up.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, please mute yourself, dear. Okay, and next we have Sanchita Das of class 6B. Sanchita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Okay,
Yes,
please unmute
Sanchita.
yourself. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Sonali ma'am?
Sanchita. Yes. Sanchita, your time starts now. Please start.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Sanchita Das from class 6. Today I am going to tell a story on one day if I would become invisible. One day if I became invisible, firstly I will thank God for choosing me and giving me the opportunity to put the things in right. I will use my power in the most useful manner. My goal will never be to become rich or powerful. I will just simply help people in need, like superhero in the movies. For that, I do not even risk anything in return, not even fame. I would be satisfied by seeing people happy. However, we should consider that it is a very dangerous power, even to begin with, because every person wishes to make a place for themselves in the society, as this power will not allow me to contact with the people. They will even fear me. In fact, the power should be handled with care. Thank you, Principal Ma'am and teachers, for giving me a golden opportunity to share a seat on someday if I would become invisible. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you,
Well
dear.
said. Very
Thank you
good.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Well done. Everyone, please clap
Very good.
for
Very good, Sanchita.
Sanchita. Thank
Very
you.
good.
Okay, a big round of applause for all the participants. Thank you so much, children. Well done. Okay, now I would like to request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to enlighten this moment by sharing some words with us. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much, Gangotri. A very good afternoon to all my dear teachers and to all my most beloved students. It's really a wonderful sight to see you after such a long time. First, I would like to say that I've been missing you all like anything. I don't think it's wrong if I say I've been missing all of you like hell. And now sitting in the school alone, I just wish that if this elocution of ours could have happened in the school, I was just imagining you all standing here out in the open field over there with a mic in hand saying all these things, how wonderful it would have been. Anyway, let us pray, children, that this pandemic time moves on, and let us pray that we overcome all these situations and we come back to school and lead a normal life. Meanwhile, take care of yourselves, listen to your parents, listen to your teachers, follow up with all the studies that are going ahead in the school, revise properly, prepare well for your exams. I want all of you to get full marks, get good marks in exams. Just as you attend your exams in the school, that only very seriously you will study and attend all your papers, perform well. And I want all of you to shine out over there, okay? Take care of yourselves. Don't worry your parents in the house. Eat proper food, take proper rest, and then stay safe at home. All the best to all of you, all those who have performed right now, those who have taken part in the elocution. It's wonderful to see you all. You have spoken wonderfully, and you encourage your friends also. See, winning is not important. Only one winner will be there or two winners will be there. That is not important for us. Participating is important. You have prepared yourself. You have spoken in such a huge in front of the gathering. That is more important, and that is what is counting. Okay, that is what counts end of the day. So you encourage your friends also. We want more number of participants. Okay, and don't worry if you don't win. All of you are winners for me. Okay, you all have spoken wonderfully well. All the best, all of you once again, and good job. Good job, teachers. Good planning, good implementation. Keep
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us. Thank you so much. Okay. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event. To all who present here, I would like to thank our honorable principal ma'am, coordinators, judges, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Thank you, parents, for encouraging your children to take part in this event. Thank you so much. Coordinators, judges, you want to share something?
Just a wonderful program. I was very happy to see everybody here. And thank you, teachers. Thank you, principal ma'am, for joining the program. And thank you, everyone. Take care of yourself. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay.
Bye.
Hi, all of
Okay.
you.
Bye, everyone. Take care. Stay home, stay
Bye,
healthy,
ma'am.
and stay safe.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you all. Take care.
Thank you.